Two New York congressmen were denied entry to the federal immigration court today. They say they gave plenty of notice of their intent to visit and that turning them away is against the law. Doug Williams reports the lawmakers are now trying to find out what's happening to immigrants being detained inside.
They are violating the law.
New York Congressmen Goldman and Jerrold Nadler extended what they saw as an unnecessary courtesy, giving ICE officials a heads up in a letter on Monday that they were coming to 26 Federal Plaza for a congressional oversight visit.
We are very concerned about what conditions these immigrants are being held in while this mass deportation scheme is underway.
The congressmen say they were denied access by ICE despite the Department of Homeland Security Appropriations Act of 2024, technically granting them legal access even without notice. The congressmen believe detainees are being held often for a matter of days on the 10th floor and referenced concerning reports of people sleeping on the ground and not getting enough to eat.
The question is, why can't we go in? What are they hiding?
The congressman said they did witness 2 immigration hearings while inside, and in both cases, the subject of the hearings objected to the government's motion to dismiss. Neither was detained.
Had they not had an attorney who told them to do that, they would have been deported on the spot.
Murad Awauda of the New York Immigration Coalition says objecting to dismissal is the right strategy to avoid deportation, but a judge can still disregard it. So the judge could say, no, we're going to dismiss it anyway, and then the detainment can happen?
Yes. The Trump administration has been telling immigration judges, work quickly, dismiss as many cases as you can, and, close cases out.
Congressman Goldman said he plans to address the issue as a serving member of the Homeland Security Committee. Congressman Nadler threatened legal action. We reached out to ICE and the Department of Homeland Security for comment on the congressman's claims. We did not hear back. In Lower Manhattan, Doug Williams, CBS News, New York.
Today's visit comes just a day after New York City Controller and mayoral candidate Brad Lander was detained by ICE agents at federal immigration court. Lander says that he was taken into custody while accompanying families out of 26 Federal Plaza. The Department of Homeland Security says Lander was arrested for assaulting law enforcement and impeding a federal officer, but those charges were later dropped. Lander applauded Congressman Nadler and also Goldman for showing up to bear witness and encourage others to do the same.
I would urge everyday New Yorkers to check out Immigrant Arc and show up and bear witness. I will be going back, but it's on all of us right now to try to make sure that the constitutional protections, the due process.
The Southern District of New York says it is investigating the incident.